Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm very public publication, even other to Twitter. I am telling you authoritatively that even the whole authorities in the Lagos State are not aware our position. What is our position? Our position is on protest. Hello. We are not part and parcel of anybody that is organizing protest, any group that is organizing protest, anybody that associates himself with protest. We, the Alaba International Market Amalgamated, the electronics to be precise, are not in support of any protest. We are not protesting because these people that are protesting, we don't know what their aims and their objectives are. We don't even know the reason why they want to protest.